Lush Loom has just completed a stunning custom blackout and sheer curtains installation at a luxury villa in Meadows 2, Dubai. And this wasn't just about making the windows look beautiful. The homeowners had a real problem. The master bedroom was being hit by strong sunlight as early as 6 a.m. The children's rooms were becoming too bright during the day. And in the ground floor lounge, neighboring homes had a direct view inside. So the challenge was simple. How do you create privacy and near total darkness without turning a bright luxury villa into a dark, closed-off space? Lush Loom's solution was a custom double-layer curtain system across 14 windows, completed in just one day. And the transformation is impressive.
First was sunlight. The east-facing master bedroom received intense morning light, making it difficult to keep the room dark after sunrise. Second was privacy. The family wanted to enjoy the natural daylight in their lounge without feeling like people outside could look directly into their home. And third was timing. Guests were arriving that weekend, so the installation had to be completed quickly, but without compromising the finish. That meant every window had to be measured and planned precisely.
Instead of using one curtain for every situation, Lush Loom created 2 layers for each window. The first layer is a soft pearl-ivory sheer voile with a linen-inspired texture. During the day, it filters the harsh sunlight, softens the view from outside, and keeps the villa feeling bright and open. The sheers were finished with an S-fold wave design, creating those clean, flowing ripples that give the windows a modern luxury look. But when the family needed darkness and stronger privacy, there was a second layer. Heavyweight triple-weave blackout curtains. Warm taupe was selected for the living areas, while a deeper sand gray was chosen for the bedrooms. And instead of simply hanging the fabric, Lush Loom used a French pleat finish to create a fuller, more tailored appearance. Both layers were installed onto a recessed double aluminum track, allowing the curtains to appear as if they were falling directly from the ceiling.
The result was a combination of style, comfort, privacy, and functionality. The blackout curtains help create darker bedrooms, reducing unwanted morning glare and making the rooms more comfortable for sleeping. The sheer curtains provide privacy during the day, while still allowing the villa to enjoy plenty of natural light. The dense blackout fabric also helps reduce sunlight and heat entering through the windows, particularly in areas exposed to stronger sunlight. And visually, the combination of flowing sheers and tailored blackout curtains adds a sophisticated finishing touch to the villa's interiors. Looking for custom blackout and sheer curtains for your villa in Dubai? Contact Lush Loom to explore tailored fabrics, colors, curtain styles, and professional installation solutions designed specifically for your space. Lush Loom, transforming windows into beautiful, functional spaces.